Hi, I'm Karen. Join us as we do a walk with the New Jersey Audubon Society. We did a walk at the Scherman Hoffman Wildlife Sanctuary in Bernardsville, New Jersey. It was a very lovely walk. We actually did wind up joining the New Jersey Audubon. We saw a lot of, we heard birds. We had a lot of bird song, and the person there was able to identify a lot of the birds. We saw a lot of, she identified the trees and a lot of the plants. So it was a very interesting, very peaceful walk. So I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe.
Bark that everyone carves their initials on, real papery type leaves. Unfortunately, the beaches have some kind of beach leaf wilt disease, and nobody quite knows how to stop it. So right now, a lot of the beach trees are not looking so healthy. Germinate and sprout up. The deer don't eat them, so we're trying to protect habitat so that birds have a place to nest. The base of the tree in front of us on the little, like a fungus that gets in the tubes, the xylem and phloem, and the tree kind of grows around it.
Is that bad for the tree, or?
It's not great. Like that one has a lot of them on it. Like one or two won't matter.
Yeah, oh, that one has.
But usually they just grow around it and continue growing. So over there is Jockey Hollow, and they've got a lot of invasive plants there that are creeping onto our property. So our property this is another non-native oriental bittersweet. And you might say, why is it hatching frogs? You made it over.
He does blend well, though, huh?
It's pretty obvious, and then inside the fence, hopefully a plant like that could get full size. Those are the cinnamon fern with the cinnamon frond.
Yeah.
And these are the interrupted fern. Halfway up the stalk, that's where they put their spores.
It's like a whole forest of them. So the invasives usually spread pretty quickly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Garlic mustard. Wild geraniums. Spice blend.
When it flowers, flowers. It's good for monarchs. They lay their eggs on these leaves, eat the leaves. But it's real important for monarchs when they migrate.
Do you see many monarchs here? I have some milkweed, but I very rarely see
I don't
anybody.
see too many.
Yeah. Cape May.
Yes.
They have a lot down there.
Yeah. Red in the fall. That's a pretty native one. I mean, poison ivy is native too, and it puts out a lot of berries in the fall, which birds like to eat. So if you and again, continue euonymus. It turns a bright shade of red in the fall, also called burning bush. But you see sort of like wings along the edge of the stem. Euonymus and privet, like the hedges that some might have. You know, it's not the native blackberry. It's kind of got a fuzzy stem. Anyway, that's the wineberry or red raspberry. That's really bizarre.
And it just grew up. And look, it even took a turn up there. Look at, if you look up there, it took a weird turn.
Yeah. Wow. Hey, yeah. At the top, it
Yeah,
zigged left.
Yeah,
It took another weird turn.
It keeps
It's like, I'm going to get
going up.
higher than you.
Aren't they? Big brown roses. Yeah.
Threw a banana on the side of the road.
So you can touch the, I've ever touched it.
It's slimy like a
It's called
mushroom.
fungus.
Yeah. But I've never seen them that big, and I forget. Are native, you know, and grew up alongside, you know, evolved along with trees and other native plants, but each deer will eat 3 to 7 pounds of forage a day. So if you have a lot of deer, like where you don't hunt them at Jockey Hollow, they have a big impact, and it's visible. The downy woodpecker, most common woodpecker, the black and white ones that you